Shouldn't be this lit at fucking 2:30 in the morning, but honey, look at this lip gloss, look at this lip, look at this lip gloss, look at this lip. Karen, it's 2:30 in the morning.
It's body. It's body. It's body. But I'm broken hearted, cry. But I like to party, touch. But I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted, cry. Since the day we parted, touch. But I got nobody, so.
Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today, girl, it is 3 in the morning. Yeah, I'm so excited because today we're going to be reviewing the whole ILUVSARAHII X Dose of Colors collection. Clearly you already see what we're gonna go ahead and do with my makeup, but I'm gonna take you along with the whole journey. Before we get into it, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit the like button as well and hit the post notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video onto my channel. I've been doing reviews lately, and a lot of you guys seem to click those more than my makeup tutorials, so I'm so offended because I love makeup tutorials, but apparently in this day and age, favorites and makeup tutorials are not the business anymore, and I'm kind of offended. You're gonna go through the whole video with me with this collection, so I hope you guys are excited. Let's get into the glam. Hello, hi, it is me, Robert Parr, aka Mr. Incredible, aka I am Mr. Incredible. Today, it is 1 a.m. everyone. Again, we are here on a late night. Oh my god, I have like Jack here right now. Somehow I had enough points in my Ulta because I wasn't originally going to get the whole collection, but somehow I had points that had $150 saved for me. So I have the whole collection of ILUVSARAHII and Dose with me today. I'm gonna get Mr. Incredible, but by the end we're trying to look like Mrs. Incredible, Miss Elastigirl, honey. Our roots done. Obviously, we're looking more snatcher. I have pretty big brows on, but I'm trying to do something more dramatic for today. So hopefully this works out. I have my lighting set up normally how I usually have them. When I did my Norvina video, I had it separated so this was lit, but I'm the most important thing here, so let's be real. Okay, so here is the eyeshadow palette that we're going to go into. Here is what the packaging looks like on the outside. It's paraben free, gluten free, and cruelty free. Once you pull her out, she ends up looking like this. Super cute with the palm trees, and you just lift her up like that. You get these. So you get Poquito Más, Sun Glow, Wanderlust, and then you get Loungy, Palma, and Finders Keepers down here. And I'm pretty sure that that's exactly how they named it because this one is Poquito Más, and I have seen so many people call it this one Poquito Más because it literally goes behind it, but whatever. And we're gonna do it the way Karen does it. She has her P. Louise bases, so I have mine. I have mine in Rumor 2 and 0.5, obviously from the last video. If you haven't watched it, I will leave it up here or up here, one of those, for you to watch, and also at the end of the video. How about the brow with Rumor 2? Now, do you guys, like, I just used this once, and it's already like super skinny. Is this supposed to be like not super full? Like, I'm very confused. I looked online and this Rumor 2 shit was supposed to be like the original shade she came out with, but it was like super dark supposedly, so I got the super light one, not really thinking maybe it was light on certain skin tones but not mine. I have a super light brown gel through my brows because obviously I'm blonde again. Oh, I've been blonde, but my roots are done, so I can't really get away with the dark brow. I'm gonna go in with Loungy right over here. And this is a BH Cosmetics brush. BH is coming out with some fire ass products, so I just came from watching The Darkest Minds, you guys. That movie is insane. That movie is so good. I was not kind of feeling very good kind of going in because I just, you know, you just have those days and you just don't really feel pretty good. But I was like, I want to film, and I was already kind of irritated, but whatever. And so I was like, you know what, I kind of want to watch this movie, and it's super interesting. Like, the trailer kind of gives some things away, but like you don't know in what context, and I was like shook. With some shadows you might get like super like powder and it looks ugly and disgusting and doesn't move, and it doesn't look like that, and it looks super soft and buttery. And number 5 brush, and I'm gonna take Wanderlust, which is the shade. I don't know how I feel about this dark black shade because, you know, it has sparkle, so I might use it for like a sparkly lid moment. I love a nice like sienna like shade. It's like my everything. I want to do like a nice cut crease liner moment with the palette, so I'm gonna kind of bring this a little bit higher. Have you guys been watching The Secret World of Jeffree Star? That has me like binging. My favorite little cut crease brush, which is this beautiful little brush. It's a number 9, and I'm gonna take the lighter one, which is 0.5, and I kind of want it to go higher than my crease because I want it to still show up when my eyes are closed. I'm just gonna take this brush with the shade Palma, which is this beautiful blue, and I want to use it, but I don't want to use it like everyone else is using it, so hopefully this works in the way that I'm envisioning it. So that is kind of what I have going on so far. Okay, we're gonna add some Sun Glow, which is the top middle row shade color. I'm gonna go over the base here. Oh, look at that. That's stunning. So I was like, I need some action on the lash line. So I just sprayed my brush with Fix Plus, and I'm gonna add some of Finders Keepers, which is this beautiful dark sparkly shade right here. I'm just gonna add like a shadow liner just so I can have some dimension. Just to get this effect. Okay, I'm gonna apply my lashes. I'll be right back. So what I did is I'm taking my angle liner brush again and the shade Finders Keepers. Finders Keepers. Bring it on my lower lash line down. Kind of like that. And then I'm just gonna take the color Wanderlust. I'm just gonna start blending her. Oh. And then you can use your other little brush to kind of go around it. And take the final shade in here, Poquito Más. Poquito Más. I'll put this in my inner corner. Okay, so they came out with 2 different highlighters. This one is in Bathe and Soulmate. Soulmate is the one that I see her use like all the time. So they come in this kind of packaging. This one is Soulmate. This one is Bathe. So I'm gonna take my little brush and I'm gonna go in with Soulmate. Okay. Oh my god, these are so pigmented. Like, not even joking. Okay, on this side of my face, I'm gonna take Bathe. They are both just as stunning and blinding as the other. Amazing! Love them both because I love a nice highlight. Ew, ew, ew. Okay, so they came out with 6 lippies. Obviously, you guys, there is 6 lippies with the collection. There is 4 matte liquid lipsticks and then 2 lip glosses. So I'll show you each. So the first lip gloss is Brillo. What she looks like. That looks like. She's honestly so pretty. Like a beautiful shimmer gloss. And then you get Barely There. And this one's like a nice, milky, pretty, beautiful gloss as well. Peachy Fresa New Chica aesthetic for the mattes. I'm gonna go ahead and use Peachy. Meanwhile, I just want to let you guys know that I used this setting spray. Okay, today when I said my makeup was looking awful and it was separating, I did the Jack Hill trick where she sprayed it once, fixed a little bit more, and then later came back and fixed this all over her face again. Honey, I did that and it worked. I was shook. Amazing setting spray, Morphe, get it. Miss Peachy dried down, honey. And she dried down to a beautiful peach, like, ew. Honestly, this look is stunning. And I love this lip color. It's like a nice terracotta peach. I had no lip balm, obviously, underneath, and this looks stunning. Dude, Nude Chica. I can already tell you this is my kind of color. Nude Chica is just like the perfect nude. It's like not too warm, not too cool, and it's not too light, it's not too dark. At least for me, obviously, it depends on your skin tone, honey, but it's like the perfect nude for me. So I'm all here for it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do Brillo lip gloss, which is this gorgeous color. Oh, look at this lip gloss, it's so beautiful. Oh, stunning lip gloss. Shouldn't be this lit at fucking 2:30 in the morning, but honey, look at this lip gloss, look at this lip, look at this lip gloss, look at this lip. Karen, it's 2:30 in the morning. I'm barely there. This is obviously like a lighter lip gloss, like pale, but I love a pale gloss, like, ooh, like I'm a slut from the 90s. That's what I think about. Again, at 2:30 in the morning. Barely There. Honey, she's not barely there, she's here. She's here to, God, Karen, what the fuck? I like live for each of them. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, this lip gloss. These lip glosses, wow. That's something I am obsessed with. 2 more lipsticks to go to. I'm gonna take off this lip gloss even though I don't want to because it's everything. And this one is aesthetic. It's supposed to be the liquid lip version of Wonderlust. Like it looks like a fall color, but you would still be able to wear it in the summer because you know it's like hot and it's like a warm lip color and I love it and I want to eat sandía fresa right here. This is a color that I feel like everyone is like gagging over. And I love it because I love a good Fanta Rosa Fresa lip. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, I love it. I love this lip color. Every single lip in this collection is seriously like amazing. Here are my thoughts while this lipstick is drying. The eyeshadows are pretty bomb. I ended up really liking this black shade. I think this was the only shade that I was kind of like iffy about, but everything like here was superb. You do not need like a crazy primer to use these with. They work so good. Blend amazing. The color is A1. Love the palette. Such a cute little palette. You can definitely use it in conjunction with another one if you don't want to just use those shades, but you want to use some of them. They work absolutely stunning. I absolutely love them. Highlights. Oh my god, are you kidding? They're like everything. If you want a pink moment, a golden moment, both of them are beautiful. I highly recommend them. Every single lip color, like you have to have them all. Like, do you see how I look? I was just gonna buy part of this collection, and I'm so happy I got the entire collection because I don't know if I would do without each and every section of it. You know, it just works so good together and it works so pretty. And every single lip color looked good with my eyeshadow. I'm shocked. Whole ILUVSARAHI X Dose of Colors gets a thumbs up from me. It is everything. I am so excited for it. I'm so happy for you, Karen. Congratulations on your collab. I have loved your ColourPop collabs, obviously, but this just brought you to another level, honey. So proud of you. Everything is gorge. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoyed this video / review. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, be sure to hit the post notification bell as well, and share this video with your friends and family. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Adios.